and welcome back to the A to Z writing tip series. For the third letter C, I have conflict and change. By definition, change refers to the transformation or the development that the character undergoes throughout the story. It adds depth to the character's role and makes the story more relatable and compelling. You can do this by showing your character change emotionally, morally, or psychologically as they face challenges and make decisions. A character change can be positive, negative, or static. Positive change meaning a change that a character will evolve as a better person by the end of the story, and negative change means that by the end of the story the character is going to go bad, but it doesn't mean that's how they started. Static personal growth as a character is pretty much the same and changes very little. Example, Sherlock Holmes, especially the example of Benedict Cumberbatch. His character as Sherlock Holmes is a lot modifying and changing, but the other characters who represent Sherlock Holmes don't really have much change in them. So these reflect the different types of changes that a character undergoes throughout the story, and please don't let them be the same. Let them change as a person. Second example of letter C, I have conflict. Conflict, by definition, is the struggle between opposing forces that drives the plot forward. It creates tension, keeps the readers engaged, and allows room for character development. It adds depth to the character's role and makes the story more relatable and compelling. Follow for part 4 for letter D.